Hey guys, we got a 2015 Ford Escape 1.6 ecoboost, and with a code P0012. Okay, so that code relates to the timing correlation, and this particular situation, things point out to me that it's the VCT solenoids. Okay, so you got the intake and the exhaust at the back. So when you remove them, it's very evident that the oil is very dirty and it's clogging up the passageway. Okay, the intake one was already quote unquote cleaned, but I'm gonna clean it pretty good, and we're gonna actually put a new one. This one ran me around 40 bucks or so. So they're fairly inexpensive. It's better if you just replace them if that's what you choose. So definitely make oil change your filter more often if you can, so you can avoid this situation. But anyways, if you're in this situation, just replace these two guys, and let's see if it fixes our problem. Okay, so you're gonna disconnect this cables right here. It's only a number 8mm hole in it, and one connector on each. Okay, so you want to push back the intake a little bit, so remove it from here. It's a 10mm, and another one just with a plier unscrew it, so you can just push this back, and that gives you enough room for you to remove the solenoid that goes right here. Okay, so one goes here, the intake, and the exhaust back here. So let me replace that, and I'll tell you if it fixes my problem. So this is a new one. For some reason there's no screen on it at all, not even on the top or on the sides. The original Ford one has screen on the sides, not the top. So anyways, let's give it a try. So again, in this particular case, is the P0012 code that we're getting. We also cleaned the exhaust one, but we did not replace it. We're only replacing the front intake one. Okay, so let me put this back together and give it a go. So we changed the oil, we put some new oil back in there, and new filter, and new solenoid now. So okay. Alright, let's put that cover back on. We got our cover back on. Alrighty, so I don't see any codes, so that's a good sign. I also don't have no check engine light. I only have the for the tire pressure and other stuff, so but that has nothing to do with that. So I believe this is a success. So yeah, all right guys, see you on the next one.